berry bushes or fruit trees and you've got birds that eat your berries before you're able to eat them, then these nets might be helpful for you. So I had to tie together multiple bags because I have this giant blackberry bush in here and I don't want the birds getting these blackberries. There's the bush, and I needed a bigger size. This was a bit too small for me. As you can see, I had to kind of piece them together and tie them together. Overall though, works really well. Light is still getting through, water can still get through. And fun fact, these green trellis ties that you use for like houseplants and stuff, you know, they actually stick really well to the netting. So you can use that to help anchor the netting, and like if you need to tie it down or anything like that, it sticks to it like Velcro. So it's kind of cool. But obviously this does not come with it. This came with, I believe, either 4 or 5 different netting bags. And so the idea is that these birds aren't going to be able to get into here. Now, honestly, if they're super motivated, they'll probably find a way. But I'm hoping that I can at least preserve some of these berries so that we can get some blackberry jelly, blackberry pie. Obviously, if you have smaller fruit trees or if you have blueberry bushes, strawberries, stuff like that, then these are plenty big enough. I got the largest size that they have available. And so, yeah, these were really large. The problem that I ran into is that I have a trellis right here. So the trellis, I had to actually put it all around the trellis, which made it much harder. If this was just a standalone blackberry bush and I just needed to put the bag over the top of it, I only would have needed to use 1 or maybe 2 bags instead of the whole set. So anyway, it's a little bit of a Frankenstein creation of the netting bags. You don't want to use them the same way that I did. You want to actually use 1 bag at a time. And then they have these draw strings on the end that you can tighten. And then basically that's how you create a barrier from your berries and your birds. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day and happy gardening.